Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, today we learn a poem. The poem name is This Is My Head, page number 21. Listen, sing and act. Repeat after me. These are my fingers. These are my fingers, and these are my toes, and these are my toes. These are my fingers. These are my fingers. This is my head. This is my head. And this is my nose, and this is my nose. This is my head. This is my head. These are my ears. These are my ears. On my head, at the side. On my head, at the side. These are my ears. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. I can open them wide. I can open them wide. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. And here are my teeth. And here are my teeth. This is my mouth. These are my knees. These are my knees. And my feet are beneath, and my feet are beneath. These are my knees. These are my knees. I can wave my arms. I can wave my arms and wiggle my nose, and wiggle my nose. I can wave my arms. I can wave my arms. I can stretch my arms. I can stretch my arms and touch my eyes, and touch my eyes. I can stretch my arms. I can stretch my arms. I can hold my hand. I can hold my hand together, and then it's time to start all over again. It's time to start all over again. All over again.